Now this recipe couldn't be simpler. It's fresh, it's light, it's really, really delicious, and it's got some jerk seasoning on it. So it's my jerk salmon, and then I'm serving that alongside a beautiful mango slaw, which has lots of veggies in it and a beautiful dressing. I know you're gonna love this one, so don't forget to hit the like button for me, and also subscribe if you're new here on my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button below, it's free to do so. This recipe is obviously in my cookbook. You've probably used the QR code to come over here. So this gives you a visual representation of how I made it, and it's so easy. All we're going to do is just grill that salmon till it's cooked to exactly how you like it. So let's go and start cooking. So this has got to be one of the quickest and easiest recipes to make. This is jerk salmon, and we're going to be using the Ninja Foodi to grill it and make a really fresh, lovely mango style slaw to go alongside this. It's low calorie, it's healthy, it's really nice on a warmer day as well. It goes down a treat, and of course you can make quite a lot of this, so you could double up this recipe if you wanted to. I'm just doing 2 portions of salmon, but you could most definitely fit more pieces of salmon in, so you could cook those under the grill really easily. I've just popped mine into a dish, like a shallow baking tin, but you don't have to. You could sit them directly on the rack, and then you're going to get more in. So that is a way of just creating a little bit more space. And of course the mango slaw to go alongside it. It's got a nice tang to it because we've got some Dijon mustard, some Greek yogurt in there as well. And we want to now season up this salmon basically and make this taste really, really good. So I want a little bit of oil to start with. I'm opting for olive oil. So not too much, just half a teaspoon. Let's get that in my little pot. And then I want some jerk seasoning. And we're going to go with half a teaspoon, slightly heaped. I think that's good. And then I want around a teaspoon of honey. I'll just use this again and measure 2 of those in, roughly. You can kind of tell, can't you, how much there is. The honey just adds that little bit of sweetness, which I think is really nice. And then we create a really nice, rich paste ready to go on our salmon. So let's bring that salmon in, using just like a pastry brush here to get that over. Now I always think it's a good idea to pat your salmon dry with a little bit of kitchen towel. That way, whatever you're putting onto it, i.e. our oil here with our seasoning, and honey, that's going to then stick to the outside of that just a lot better than it would if you didn't bother to do this stage. So quickly just do that, and here comes our gorgeous flavour. So it doesn't look like a great deal here, but this is going to add a fair amount of flavour. It's pretty potent. Just going to rub that on like this. Trying to keep this healthy and not add too much oil to it. Okay, that's going over really nicely. It's coating all of that salmon flesh. Then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of extra jerk just over the top like that. So our salmon won't take very long to cook under the grill. 3 or 4 minutes each side should do the job. Let's lower that into the pot. Now, as you can see, I've got that on the rack in that kind of lower position so that the grill is not too high, so it's not too high near the grill basically, and that way it's not going to then burn or go too dark in colour. We're going to get a nice amount of colour on the salmon but without burning it. So we get the lid down and we get on to grill. So whilst our salmon is under the grill, we're going to make a really simple little dressing here. Now you're going to want your Greek yogurt with your Dijon mustard. Give that a nice mix. Some salt and pepper, so do this to taste, and then you can dress your veggies. So we have got some carrots, we've got some fennel, we've got some spring onion, we've got some red cabbage, and you can, I'm just showing you a really small portion here that I'm making up right now, but you can make a really big portion of this depending on how many salmon fillets you're cooking. Obviously, all the quantities are in the book for you. But you can see how that's coating that really, really nicely. I've then got my mango to add in. And now let's give that another mix. Give it a taste. Make sure your seasoning is just right. I think the Dijon mustard makes all the difference to your dressing, and just make sure you've got that seasoning just right as well. So give it a taste. Salt and pepper to your liking. Look how colourful and beautiful that is. So here is my jerk salmon with that gorgeous mango slaw. Doesn't take very long under that grill. 8 minutes is long enough, and they go lovely and crispy on the outside. That salmon is super flaky on the inside. I've served it with some lime wedges to go over the top. It's a really easy, tasty, fresh dish, this one. I really hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the like button for me and subscribe to Susannah's Kitchen if you are new here.